Hi guys, Laura here from Hedgehogs Homestead. Today the game is on. We're back from the Kentucky meetup, and if you didn't go, you missed something. A lot of great people, most of all. But, so my husband's watching the game, and when we came back, my mother-in-law made some delicious peanut butter cookies. But of course, they're all gone. So, my husband demanded / begged if I would make some more. And I said, well, maybe I'll make it for my YouTube friends. And then he said, please. So here we are, making some of my mother's recipe peanut butter cookies. And since he was a nice guy and came to the meetup and enjoyed himself and had great time with great friends, you guys know who you are. Let's get to it. Let's show you how to make this really simple, easy peanut butter cookies. We're talking easy, and we're talking 3 ingredients. That's it. So let's get to it. So first, we have 2 cups of peanut butter here. That goes in our bowl. Into the bowl, okay? And then, this is half a cup, so 2 cups of sugar. And then 2 eggs.
Excuse me?
No, I'm making you cookies.
That's right. You get in the kitchen and you're barefoot.
And
the only thing you're missing is being pregnant.
That ain't happening.
Well, you could be like the Virgin Mary and conceive.
You think so?
Maybe.
Nobody can see you, you know that?
They can't see me.
No,
They
because
don't need to see me.
there you are.
They can hear
The
me.
giant in the room. So mix that together thoroughly, of course. Oh, holy cow. That's why Mother didn't want to make them with her sore wrist.
Yeah.
They're hard to
Good,
turn.
I'll keep you in shape and get me some cookies. My bearded friend. Looks good. Kind of messy today, needs brush. Here we go. Get making my cookies.
Whatever. I wouldn't make the cookies, but I want them myself. So, I'm on a diet. I can't eat them. But here you go. This is what it mixes up like, what it turns out to be. Not a little hard to mix because it is very stiff dough. There's a couple clumps of sugar.
Here we go, 4,000. Here's roll marble.
So I'm going to do one more ingredient though, but not to all of them.
Nope.
Oh man.
They're watching football in there. The Bengals and the Steelers. Okay, so that's all mixed together. Okay. Okay, so we got that. Now, I think I'm going to put these in the fridge for a little bit, let them cool. We're going to turn on our oven while they're cooling for just a little bit, and then I'm going to roll them up in a nice little ball and put them in the oven on some parchment paper. And that's how we'll do it, and we'll get it going. So we'll be right back when this is ready to go. We're going to turn our oven at 350, and these will cook for about, it says 10 minutes on the recipe. but literally, you know, kind of fill it out the way you want your cookies. We like them pretty on the soft side. These do get a little bit on the crispy side just because there's no flour or dough or any of that stuff in flour or vanilla or anything else in there. As far as what kind of peanut butter you're going to put in here, we like chunky, my husband and I. The rest of the family likes smooth. We only had chunky peanut butter, so that's what's going in the bowl, right? So we're going to turn on that oven, and we'll come back when the oven is ready. The oven is at the right temperature. Now we're just going to take these like you do with cookies. Put them on a spoon. Roll them up in your hands and just put them on the cooking tray. Now notice I don't know if you guys can see. I have chocolate chips sitting over here, right there. And I'm gonna add some chocolate chips to this, to the second batch. My husband's not sure that they will taste good with chocolate chips in them, but I'm like, how can you go wrong with peanut butter and chocolate?
The bungles, you mean? The bungles? The bungles, not the browns. You just...
Do you hear them in there?
Missed it.
Oh, you're not even kidding me.
You got blocked.
Unbelievable. Now we'll go.
He's the same guy that had to pick six. So now we're going to go into overtime. The problem was that was a backup holder and a backup center.
Unbelievable.
No, that's exciting actually.
It looked like it was gonna go, didn't it?
Okay, there we go. Put them in the oven. We'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna add some chocolate chips to this. Okay. We will do a cup full of chocolate chips. 1 cup. This has a measuring cup on it. Goes to 3/4 of a cup. I'll just overfill it. There we go.
You go down and let it, you can't kick it, you can't kick it.
And we'll mix those in there. We will make the rest with chocolate chips in it. There we go. All right, we'll compare the two and see which ones taste best. We'll be back when that happens. So remember, about 10 minutes at 350, and at our house they work better at 11 minutes. So, you know, you kind of have to watch that and judge your own. So we'll be back. It makes a nice flat cookie, doesn't rise a lot, just be aware of that. So because it doesn't have any flour or you know, baking soda, any of that stuff in it. So it's low on those kind of things, but it does have a lot of sugar in it, so not keto friendly at all. So we'll be back. So guys, the consensus is I added a cupful of chocolate chips in, and you also, one thing I didn't add is that you want to smash them down. So what I do is I roll them up in a ball, and then I just put them down with my fingers. Sorry. And the consensus is, if you put chocolate chips in them, they're even better. So give them a try, guys. They're awesome. God bless and have a great day. I had to try it. I know I'm on a diet, but I gotta try it for you guys. Sorry. A little Toll House cookie in there, or chocolate chip in there, and you got a winner. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.